Hello everyone. Before presenting about my project video, let me introduce about myself. My name is Kaine, who is studying in Coventry University of Computer Science in PSB. Now I am the fourth semester, who is also studying the Android subject. Okay, for the Android project, uh, I created for the project the Memo application project. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the Memo app. The reason why I created the Memo app is that I'm a new starter of learning the Android application, so I have no idea of what to do. So I just created the basic simple one in order to learn lots of things like the basic one, how to create application. And after creating the project, I got so many knowledges of how to create the application. Well, okay, now I'm gonna explain about the project Memo. The Memo application, the application that I created is a Memo app. So when I click this one, the Memo app will appear. So, continuing with the coding of my application, there are two activity, which are the main activity and the node editor activity. This one is the main activity, and this one is a new node editor activity. The main activity is the homepage of this activity, so this one is the main activity, and another one is the node editor activity. Okay, I'm gonna explain the step by step. In this application, I used both the landscape and the portrait view in order for the user to use properly and more clearly. Okay, so before presenting about the project, before presenting about the explaining about the application, I used the database. For the database, I used the share preference method for in order to save the data in the phone locally. So first of all, I created the array list to store the data in it, and then I used sorry, this one is the this contact is I use the list view in this context. So this one I use the list one, and then I use the share preference method to get all of the data which is stored from the new node and whatever, and then I use the hash set method to check the condition whether it is true or not, and then I put array list, and if there is a set is a hash set is equal now, it means it will reach to the welcome new editor. It means that when I start the node, there is no is the original one, so I just put the welcome to node editor originally, and if there is no if there's not an AR equal to release, it means that whenever I created or save it, and I used another else, and then I used the array adapter method, and this one is the intent. So intent, I also use the intent method to call to main activity from the main activity to the node editor activity class. Okay, so after explaining about the coding, I'll explain the steps of how to use it. So when I want to create a new Memo, it is easy. I just need to press the plus button, and then now it will appear. And then when I write it down, this is the new one. And when I want to save this one, I just need to press the save button and save successfully. In order to appear this save successfully, I used toast.make method to appear it. And when I back it, there it is. It is appear. This is the new one. Okay, I will show you another step. And when I just create the press button, and this hello world, I just write it down, hello world, and if I don't want to save this Memo, I just need to press the back button, and there's no Memo one. There's not the one. Okay, so when I want to modify again, so this is a new one, and then I can modify one, and I just need to press the save button and back, and this is the new one and modify one. I just edited the new one. Okay, so when I want to delete this memo, it's also easy. I just need to press the memo that I want to delete it. For example, this one. For this one, I just created in the previous. I just need to press the long one in this one, and it 2 seconds, and it appear alert dialogues. And when I don't want to delete it, I just need to press no, and it is not deleted. And another again, when I want to delete it, when I press yes, and it's deleted. For the delete one, I use a list view dot in here. In list view, in here, list view does set on long item, click listener, and when I click it, alert dialog will appear, and then when I press yes, and it will ARR the remove position. It means that I save the data in the array list ARR and dot remove, and it's already removed. And I also use the share preference method to save the data again and reach it to the array list. And when I press no button, and it's no null, and there's no deleted. Okay, this one is the Memo application, the function of the Memo application in my application. Creating the new one, updating, modifying the existing one, and the deleted. Another one, I added the function. It is the function to shake the application. Okay, so it's already. I can use the landscape and the portrait. And when I shake the phone here, the text will change, and the shake will appear. Another one, shake, another one. The text will change into the blue one, and then the green one, and the purple one, and it's also shake will appear. In order to appear this one, I just created the first of all, I just created the shake detector class to that my phone can shake this one. All of this methods the shake method, and then I just need to write it down the one that I want to appear. For example, this one in main activity, I just shake the main activity. So first of all, I just call the sensor manager to get a sensor, shake sensor, and then I just use random method, and color, I put so many color in one of the integer color, and then I just put it down the set text color in order to change the color. And then I use the tools dot make text that I already explained in the previous one to appear the shake one. This one is the shake one. Okay, so I also need to write it down the presume and the pause, and in order to process the sensor. Okay, another one I created this one is when I create a new one, I just type it down. This is another new one. Sorry about the spelling. And then another one, sensor detect. Okay, so when I in this node editor activity, the one that I want to create it. So when I shake the phone, it's change the color. Change the color. You can see it. Shake it. This one is got another one. This one is another one, another one, and also it also appears shake one here. And also I can use a landscape method. when I shake the landscape in here, it also appears like that. Yeah, okay. So when I want to save the button, it saves successfully. Okay, so this is all the function that I used to create in my application. I hope you will understand what I'm explaining about my application, and I hope you are enjoying it. Thank you for listening my presenting about the video about my application. Thank you so much. Bye bye.